all the other vaccines. And it was really starting to irritate me.
Yeah?
Let it out. Oh, fuck, that's hot. Yeah. Fill you up. Oh, God. Fill you up with allergens. Oh, that's a good snooze.
Get out of here. I can't take you seriously. I can't take you seriously. Go away. Get out of here. Ugh.
I like my little snuffleupagus. Oh. Oh.
Good mother.
Like 100% profit, but it's making it worse. Pharmaceutical companies are under no
Can't be held reliable.